Alright, this is the DEWALT 20V Max oscillating tool. To be honest, I am a do-it-yourselfer. I like to do projects at the house, so I was looking for a good deal on one of these. Actually, ended up finding one that actually came with a lot more things that I thought. I'm just really surprised on how many things it came with. So it comes with a bag here. I'm going to open it up so you can see what it looks like. Came with the battery charger. There's a charger as well. Instruction manual. Comes with 2 blades. This one's still in the bag, and this is one that I've used lately. Then it has some different types of clips. You install the blade with. Here's the multi-tool. DEWALT is really a reputable company, really trustworthy, been around for a long time, so you can't miss with DEWALT. And it's really easy to install. All you gotta do is hit this lever right here, put it in. I'm gonna install it real quick for you. Pretty easy. And it works at 3 different speeds. And it has a safety lock as well. Really nice here. Really good for jobs. I'm gonna be using this a lot, especially with plunge cuts, working on trim and all that nice stuff. But yeah, really good product here. And yes, highly recommend it.